Stupid. We are live, guys. Are we? Hello, hello. Just let me know if we are live. I think we are live. Every single time. The fighting with these softwares is the next thing, man. Like every day. What's happening? What's happening in the chat? Okay. So Shubham, hello. Hey Shubham, Varun, hi. Hind, Army, hello. After so many decades. Hind, we missed you yesterday. Shubham, hello. Varun, is Div watching Obsession movie? I have already seen the movie. It's really good. If anybody who is missing watching that movie, watch it at night. It's so fun. Late. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I was just messing around with this thing. So today, me and Sam were supposed to be live together, but he's just like setting it up on his channel for now. So once he's ready, he will just hop in into the call. JPEG. Yep. Yep. You are live. Awesome. Cool. So where are we? Today, basically, there is no such thing we will be doing. We will be just watching what's happening on Twitter. That's what we are going to do today. Because today at 10:30 we have the Apple WWDC event, and I was thinking we can just watch it together. I usually do watch it, and it's fun to make it like a together activity. But I need to find a way, or maybe people will post with WWDC, right? So what I'm super excited with WWDC this year is because there are a lot of rumors that this year Apple is coming up with the folding phone, which I think if Sam was saying last year that he would. Oh, Sam is here. Sam, do you want me to put you live? Hello, Sam. Can you hear me? Your voice is not coming. What happened? Wait, let me just check. Yeah, Sam, can you speak now? Your voice is not coming. Wait. Yeah, so first 10 to 30 minutes, we can just do the setup work. Hey, Sam, you are live. But your voice is not coming. I don't know what's happening. Is it on
Hello?
my
You
end?
can hear me
Yeah,
now, right?
yeah. Now it is.
It's muted. Somebody muted me.
Okay, so you are now live, and you and your
Yeah,
this
I've given
audio
up.
is there.
This piece of shit software, I swear to God, man. Fuck this shit.
Okay, so
Well,
guys,
it's
Sam is
sort of
here
my
today.
fault. Yeah. Hey guys, I can't see anyone, but yeah, I'm
You can
just
see
gonna
the
go
chat,
ahead.
right?
I can't. I'm just setting up right now, but you go ahead.
Okay, cool. Yeah, you continue. Uh, so Israr, I'm here just to say hi. I have a train in an hour. Cool, Israr, where are you going today?
Don't go to Jaipur.
Don't get to Jaipur.
I think we
Okay,
are
and
on YouTube. Let me just see if you're
you and
live.
Sam gonna start a podcast or what? We are
We
planning.
have started, Sam, bro. This is the first time it's recorded.
So we have recorded a lot. Actually, we have recorded I think 4 or 5 podcasts from in last 6 months, but they haven't been released yet. So we are still like planning a nice format of it. Hopefully, there will be some podcast coming up. So this could be the like a kickstart of that, this live stream. If we do enjoy this one, maybe we'll do a couple of more.
Yeah, let's just hope something good is released. I think we are on, but
Uh, I'll be on your channel as well.
yeah, I am.
Can you share the
There
link
is
with me?
no. Sorry?
Can you
I
share
think
the
you've
link?
already started. Remember the old channel we had is the same
The
one.
benchmarked one?
Yeah.
Cool.
I'll figure out later. Just right now it's just working. It's going. No logos, no branding. This is the garbage. I'm seeing some really horrible looking watermark
Sam,
I need to remove.
your camera is being discussed here. Man, what camera Sam
Why?
is using. Sam, just just tell a little bit about your camera.
Little about my camera. It's a good camera, guys.
It's not a good camera. It's a great camera.
Yeah, so I told you before, if you want to invest in a camera, if you look at today's market, 2 lakhs, you get a decent camera. I got this for free. It's a Black Magic, by the way. So I
It's a
used to love
Blackmagic
this.
6K, right?
Yeah, 6K. So I usually always use that for everything, but I found like it to be pretty awesome for live streams. I'm gonna buy 3, 4 more. Not 3, 4, at least 2 of them.
Yeah.
Because this one I would like to use it to film things, but yeah, for anyone who wants to invest, I mean, like Divyanshu.
So one thing I want to tell everyone, like Sam's setup looks so cool, and this my setup, which looks so shitty. This is me learning from Sam. Like, if it was just about me, my setup would be like a webcam in front and looking like shit. But yeah, so I'm
I'm
still learning.
promising you there is no learning. I'm the only one who learning. Should thank Divyanshu for putting me in front of the monitor. Otherwise, I was in a closed Discord group talking about trading.
Okay,
So,
what everyone is saying.
did you have the stream on, by the way?
Yeah. So which stream?
The Apple stream? The
Apple
one we
stream?
are gonna
No.
watch?
Like you said, we can't
No, no,
stream
no.
that.
Of course, you can't share it, but you're gonna have it open for
Huh,
yourself,
I will
right?
open it at 10:30.
Oh, okay. You probably need your headphones, or you're gonna.
Oh, I will put it like a little bit audio, but because if I put headphones, then it will work, right? Yeah, I can put my headphones.
No, because if you're gonna listen to the stream,
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Because
you have to give reactions, Divyanshu. That's the whole point of the stream. Oh my God! Siri is still shit. Okay, like that, you know.
Okay, so what people are saying, yes, Apple is coming with Fold, but I don't know they announce it now or in September. I think they will announce today because that's the whole point of WWDC, to prepare like developers, and it's kind of a new hardware, so obviously they will need all the apps to be ported once it releases. So I think today would be the right time to announce it. What do you think, Sam?
Well, it's first of all, it's a 1 week event.
Yeah.
They're gonna release announce everything today, and then for next few days, it's just gonna be developers talking and more like
Correct.
development stuff.
People are saying Sam is echoing. It could be because of
You
my
have echo.
yeah.
That's
Can
what I was saying. If you have the speaker on, it's gonna echo.
okay. I'll put my headphones. That's better.
I should have written down because I made a list of things I'm expecting. So the top of the list was Mac Studio M5, which will definitely not happen. But even if it does, I'm broke to buy that shit.
Okay. Now, let me know how it is. Okay, Sam, can you speak now?
Hello, I'm speaking now without echo, I hope.
Guys, so it's not just Sam's camera. You can hear like how good the audio quality is also.
It's literally the same mic as everyone. This is not even expensive, guys.
This is Rode.
But I'm not gonna show the expensive part which it connects to.
People are saying Sam's production quality looks sick. I'm telling Sam from last 1 year he should like be daily regular live here on YouTube. He will be killing it.
So I do live stream,
Yeah.
but since I'm not as popular as Divyanshu, I have like a
Oh,
close
popular.
Discord group of just trading guys. But I want to try and bring it more because we all live nearby and there are a few very common things we are very passionate about. So He's the biggest inspiration for me, so I will try and get on camera now more often.
Yeah, guys, let's do hashtags. Sam, come
I
on
can't see any
YouTube.
hashtags, but yay, hashtag me, go. I'm just still setting up this horse shit of a program. I can't believe people charge 440K for this shit. Like, sorry, 4,000.
Wait,
There's like nothing here.
people are asking for your YouTube channel. Can you share the link with me?
It's just benchmark. Yeah, sure.
Maybe share on Riverside. I'll copy paste it here.
I'm trying to just share anywhere if anything opens there.
Yeah, just Discord is fine. Yeah.
Hang on. Public chat. Okay, I see public chat. Oh no, that's just not you.
People are saying Divyanshu's voice is more than Sam's because maybe it's because of this OBS thing. I'll reduce my voice, guys, a little bit so that we all.
Am I lighter or you're louder?
No,
I don't really get it.
it's definitely from my OBS because there are two different knobs for volume.
Oh, okay, sure.
So I'll put both of us on orange.
Let me find out the name of my channel. How about 7 of them? So sorry, guys.
Yeah, just I'll paste the.
Oh, it's actually
here.
pretty easy. It's benchmark. No?
Yeah.
Oh shit, am I still visible? Oh, I forgot. Sorry.
Apple is getting a foldable phone. Apple is finally catching up to Android. Yeah, Blinken, we know your hate for iOS. Now it's good. What's Sam's channel coming up? A foldable phone from Apple wasn't in my 2026 release list. Yeah,
It's not releasing this year anyway. It's the next year.
yeah, but I think Sam, I told you last year only that I'm really hoping Apple do release the foldable phone because I had an experience with that. What do you call that? A Samsung Fold, and I really loved the aesthetic, like the whole vibe. In one hand, it's just a phone, and once you're like lying in your bed watching a movie, it becomes a tablet. Like, I love it.
This is like the millennial versus Gen Z conversation. I have so many.
I'm not Gen Z, bro.
If it's so, guys, you need to understand. If Devyanshu found a way to AI food in his mouth, he would probably do that. And I'm the opposite. I like to do things with my hand. So I'm fine with, like, it's just a design thing. So when you look at a device, right, you don't need more friction to use it. So just opening, closing, it's just like more, like you're adding more steps to get to a.
Yeah.
And phone is used for like calls and SMSs. I'm thinking about going to Nokia 3300 to be honest.
So I'm like super tired with phones being just a rectangular slab. Like just.
You know
the
why?
screen.
Like, actually, have you thought about the fact that I used to upgrade my phone every, I think, 18 months. That was always the case till 14.
Yeah.
But now we just stop. There's no innovation. So if you make the innovation of the phone being like a multifold device, that doesn't justify you just upgrading anyway.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes
So
sense.
if you say your reason to do it is you like a bigger estate, then okay, that's valid. I've seen a lot of people use Samsung Galaxy and all that stuff. It's not really my thing. I don't know. I have iPad. It's just laying there. It's not even used much.
My main issue with iPad is that you need to put it somewhere where you can use it. If it's on my desk, it will always be on my desk. But if my phone is my iPad also, then I'll be using it a lot more. And there are many cases, like when I'm flying, when I'm like trying to sleep and just watch a movie, watching a Netflix movie on a phone, I can't do that. Like I feel like I'm doing the worst thing ever.
Yeah, that's why. But like, are you traveling in the plane or where are you traveling?
Like sometimes, like when I'm in a flight.
Yeah, but you have entertainment system, no?
You can't play every movie there. You don't have internet, right? So they give you some catalog and you can.
You have different problems. I'm just really hoping the guy doesn't snore next to me or just he doesn't know. My problems are so different than yours. I'm just like so fussy. I just want to put my noise cancelling headphones. Then there'll be this annoying kid, right? Like, I'm praying none of them are. कहीं मूवी का तो आता भी नहीं कहीं मेरे कॉन्वर्सेशन में. Who fucking gives a shit about a movie? I mean, this is what I'm saying. Like, it's like rich people problems. That's what Divyanshu is bringing to the table.
No, it's not. Like I have.
Okay, I just shared the in Discord. Okay, the channel
Okay,
name.
cool. I'll share it here.
Yeah, I just have to figure out now.
Futuristic copy link. So guys, here is a link to our YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's mostly Divyanshu and me. We try to do content. I mean,
Yeah,
it's a
well,
year old. Now we are much mature. Our first call, our first podcast was about Rabbit, right? Remember Rabbit?
yeah.
And I think if you actually read or see the podcast in the middle, I said this device will die in 6 months.
And it did,
Died in
but
3.
it didn't die. Like Rabbit is still alive. They just pivoted to this open claw thing and all. Out of all the devices, I think Rabbit is doing decent.
Yeah, remember the humane pin?
Yeah,
Another thing.
that should die. Yeah,
No, they actually HCL bought it, I think.
but in a way, like HCL bought the technology and the team. I think they bought the team. They have no interest in the device.
I don't know. They bought shit. I don't care what they bought. Okay, so should we do like predictions? Or I mean, Siri is gonna be a big thing.
Siri plus Google. Yeah, because Google AI, they have bought like Google Gemini, some deal. So yeah, hopefully Siri will be better this year.
Okay, so 3 top known ones would be. Oh yeah, so we can do like a prediction for the names. I don't give a shit actually.
Yeah.
Like they'll pick some. So iOS 26, no 27.
Yeah,
Then macOS 27, iPad 27. That's gonna be the same.
yeah.
I do believe. I think one of the biggest features they will have is, the AI in Swift, how they have full
The
native
foundation
integration
model, right?
Yeah, exactly. Foundation model. And is there something surprising? I don't know. I think Siri will be the surprising thing.
I don't
notes.
think that anything in Siri will be surprising because they have been talking about the advanced Siri for last 2 years. It's still not advanced, so now it will be, hopefully.
Maybe, but I'm hoping. I mean, we have to be positive. We're doing a first live stream, Devanshu. How about you be a little bit optimistic for a change?
Okay, let me read some comments.
Okay. Yeah, you do that. Sorry.
Okay, there is a hashtag already. Sam come to YouTube.
Sam, come to YouTube.
Hashtag Sam come to YouTube. It sounds good now. Okay, bro, check out Terax. Okay. If you happy person, you like everything. Yes, I do. +1 for Sam.
Yes, he does.
And Apple is catching up on Android. Android trying to catching up to Glass UI like Apple.
They can't catch up now. They have to pivot. So I think Apple is gonna say, "भाई हमसे ना हो पाएगा. हम जरा हम कुछ नया करते हैं." I think that's why they will go for home devices. So if you see, they are the first ones who's gonna bring like really innovative home devices.
You mean Apple?
Yeah. For example, HomePod like a device. Like the terminal we were talking about. So something like that kind of a device. I think next year their glasses are going to be big, the AR glasses.
Hopefully, maybe they will like show us the glasses this time so that people are prepared.
Yeah, I mean,
if
probably.
an
I
ecosystem
heard.
of apps is coming in that.
Yeah. Well, they have vision. I don't know if it's still going to be pushed.
Yeah, true.
So
Shubham, bro, check out Terax. What is Terax, Shubham? So today I'll not be checking out anything tech related in like AI. We will only be talking about WWDC and what's gonna release there. Shivanshu is saying, "Yo, Sam in the house."
शिवांशु, आज के तारे सितारे क्या कहते हैं? अच्छा होगा कि नहीं WWDC? Please bata. This is an indirect plug to Shivanshu's Zodiac / Bhavishwani app.
Yeah. So Shivanshu is also working on his like a
And
web
side
app.
by side, I hope Darshana is growing some plants called WWDC.
Terrarium with a apple's house in it, like the whole office, oval office.
Yeah, actually, she should have done the.
Oh yeah, that could have been a viral material. So how much time? It's 5 minutes remaining.
5 minutes. I've written down stuff. I will probably just.
Oh, it already started. So
It started? No, it's not started. It's like they have animations going on.
are you sure we cannot stream it?
You cannot stream it.
So I'll have to watch it on a different screen. 4 minutes remaining. So guys, whoever is live here, what do you guys think? Like, what will be released this year? My biggest hopes are the Apple Fold. I'm pretty sure they will release this today.
This
only.
year, you mean, or
Today.
WWDC?
Like they will announce
today?
today.
No.
No, announce
Oh.
today.
They don't usually announce hardware in this event, but let's see.
Because they need to, right? Otherwise, how people will develop things for it?
I think, Fold is like a vision device. It's not going to be for everyone.
Maybe because I remember in last year WWDC they did release these M5 chips or M4, M5 chips.
It was just upgrade. Not even upgrade. I think the only hardware they ever released was Mac Pro on WWDC.
New hardware, correct. Abhinav. Hi, long time no see. Hey, hi Abhinav. How are you, man? Abhinav is like a Twitter star. He has like, I think 15, 20K followers now. "2027, Samsung and Apple both are in VR AR glass race." Samsung, though, I don't know. Like, I haven't even seen their glasses.
I think Meta is better.
Meta is better, yeah. It's like Apple, also like Apple Vision. I don't know. They are not even upgrading it. They are not talking about it for last 2 years. Yes, you can't stream the Apple event, someone is saying. Yeah, true, man.
Yeah, I tried it last year. I remember.
And they blocked your stream?
No, so what happened was my sound was not coming. So they said it's copyrighted or something like that. Then I was just looked at it and it was like, you better not stream it. You can be directly striked or something. I was like,
Wow.
Rande.
Wow. So what I'm thinking is, I'll see the other one, like the other person who is streaming. If they are streaming it, then I'll put it on the live. If not, I'll ignore it. So guys, we are still waiting. 2 minutes remaining.
Well, I wonder if it's going to be the new CEO. He's not officially taken.
Oh, it started.
Not started.
I mean, intro started on my end in
Yeah.
YouTube. But how will I listen? Because otherwise it will...
Oh, just you can reduce the volume. So I'm doing the same thing. You can just reduce the volume, open in the browser and just reduce the volume. It should be fine, I think. I can hear you pretty clear.
Harshil is saying it started. Yes.
Is it? But it's
I mean, the
not-
intro.
Yeah, intro तो चल रहा है यार 10 मिनट से. Did you see the NVIDIA answer to M1 chips? M
Oh
chips.
yeah, the NVIDIA chips, yes.
Spark.
RTX 4090, 5090 processors. I mean, I don't know. Until it's in the market, it's like real reviewers reviewing it.
Well, I do like what Windows is doing. It's using a lot of...
I feel Windows in itself, like they are trying to become Mac. One thing is true, like they have released all the terminal. Brew is there now, so they are trying to make it familiar for Mac users, so they can think of migrating.
Yeah.
Another
I
thing,
would still...
yeah.
No, go on.
Now I was saying another thing Apple released, which I liked, was their 2 prototype devices in the AI era. One was like a card, and another was a hub. So they said like when you're outside, you can use
Apple.
this card. Sorry, Windows.
Oh, yeah. I saw that.
And that was,
Okay, now it started. Officially.
yeah. I like the...
So I won't...
Yeah, please go ahead.
No, I was thinking if it's gonna be Tim Cook who does it, because he is outgoing, right? So it must be his last WWDC.
Hmm. So guys, there is a background which I'm running on this stream for the Apple event. I don't know if YouTube like copyrights this and blocks this stream.
Which background are you running?
So there is a background voice which is streaming to my live as well of the event,
Off the stream.
of the live stream.
Oh, well, if he is blocked, just check the benchmark channel, guys. You don't want to get that because it's really, I mean, I hope it doesn't affect, I guess. I don't know.
Shout out to a new landing page div. Which landing page?
WWDC also gives us the chance to celebrate our incredible global community of developers.
You mean
Energy around Apple platform
my own personal landing page?
developers are
He is here.
more apps
Yes.
than ever, with well over 1,000 submissions to the App Store every hour.
Every hour,
Also
1,000.
investing in the
Wow.
next generation through 20 Apple developer academies around the world, which have already helped tens of thousands of students begin their journey. And with WWDC, we hope to build on that momentum, inspiring even more incredible app experiences for our users. At Apple, we've always believed that technology should be personal, powerful, and easy to use. The tight integration of our hardware and our software unlocks the full potential of each of our products.
So yeah, guys, Shivanshu's new app, which is HTTPS Cosmin. Okay. He's doing the right thing now, marketing everywhere.
Great experiences across their apps. We've seen that when we put powerful tools into people's hands, they can do
Okay, so this is I think the 8th iteration of the landing page, but looks cool.
places
I'll check it out.
could have dreamed of.
Wait, is it the Kahani one?
No, 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 it's Cosmin. I've shared the link on the chat.
Cosmin. Oh, okay. Oh, it is Divyanshu's website here. Sorry, Shivanshu.
Shivanshu, yeah, Shivanshu. He's sending a message.
Siri. With that, I'd like to hand it off to Craig to get us started.
Okay, so we are talking about Siri now.
Siri? What?
What is
Where
it?
are you in there? What the fuck?
Is it? What? Should I refresh?
Let's talk about our next.
No, I think I should refresh. I'm watching in the website. Maybe that's why it's delayed.
This year, we put our focus into 3 areas. First, improvements that make our platforms more responsive and easier to use in your day-to-day life.
I am on this like fettuccine. What this guy's name is? Federici food.
Okay, yeah. Fedrighini.
Federici.
That's a pasta, guys.
It's okay.
With an innovative architecture that unlocks a new Siri across platforms, along with many helpful features integrated into the apps you use every day. This work applies to our new releases across all of our platforms, from iOS and iPadOS to watchOS and tvOS, visionOS.
I don't even know what he's talking about. He's talking about iOS or?
Yeah, iOS 27, I think.
For those of you that are WWDC regulars, you of course know that this is the moment where I relay the latest exploits of Apple's crack marketing team, and their, shall we say,
I like the icon.
unconventional methods for naming
Like a
macOS releases.
Gold.
In this case, I'm
Yeah.
afraid the story is incomplete. Last I saw them, they just spilled out of their recently installed Apple Park experiential ideation yurt and piled into their microbus. I tried to catch them, but they just handed me this note out the window before motoring northward. So here's all I've got. Dude, our chakra alignment has set our compass toward the summer of love, but like further. Our corporeal forms know no earthly tether. We shall float on a span of gold over infinite seas, flying so high, marketing is such a great job. Okay, well, I'm afraid they haven't returned, and I'm lacking the sensory amplifiers to crack
I'm
this
still
code.
waiting.
So I guess the great era of macOS names must come
It's
to
Golden
an end.
Gate, man!
What? Golden Gate.
Golden Gate.
Oh, thank goodness.
Yeah, Golden Gate.
Perfect. Our next version of macOS
Are you watching it in
macOS
YouTube?
Golden Gate.
Yes.
All right. With that
Oh, okay.
behind us, let's start with improvements that will make our platforms better than ever. Our products are an integral part of daily life, helping us at work, at school, at home, and everywhere in between. So naturally,
I'm like
we all have high
2 minutes behind you. I'm watching on the website. It's definitely slower.
Yeah, they are on macOS now talking about Golden Gate. I like the name better than the
Yeah, actually, thank
Sequoia
God.
and whatever the shit the others were.
the features you already rely on and making them even better. Because we believe the best operating systems aren't just built on big breakthroughs. They're built on sweating the details. To tell you more, here's Stacy.
Attention to detail has always been core to Apple's DNA. And this year,
I would love to have an office like this to do everything.
Yeah, like love the aesthetic of whole Apple
and intuitive.
Yeah.
We
minimalism.
scoured every part of the OS for opportunities
It's
to
the wooden
refine our
thing.
features.
Wooden
Yeah,
just stands out.
it's like doolally,
the
doolally.
foundations. Nothing was off limits, no enhancements.
Oh, yeah.
We made things faster, smoother, even easier to use, and we took care of a bunch of things you've been asking about. We're excited to share some highlights of this work with you. To kick things off, let's talk about one of the key themes of this
Guys,
effort,
I'm watching this.
design. To tell you more,
I'm-
here's Shubham.
I just shared the
Yeah.
stream quickly.
Last year, we introduced our most ambitious cross-platform design update ever with Liquid Glass, which made apps and experiences even more expressive and delightful. Like with all major design updates,
I
there's
need to find a way to get it
process
in
where
my
we take a bold leap
small
forward,
screen.
and then we continue to iterate. Part of how we do this is by listening to users and developers. Our team really appreciates your feedback, and we considered it deeply as we refined the new design over the past year. Now, we're making some additional refinements, starting with updating the foundations of how Liquid Glass is built. To ensure exceptional readability, we tuned Liquid Glass so it diffuses complex content behind it much more effectively, while also creating more depth and separation. While we think this is a great new default,
Are you happy with Liquid Glass, by the way?
some users would like Liquid Glass
I just
to be
don't like
more
the
clear,
degradation
and
it
others
brings to the
prefer a more
device.
tinted
Like
appearance.
it's heavy, so it makes the
everyone's
device feel a
preference
little bit
varies,
laggy.
we're
But
adding
maybe the
a
new
slider in settings
iPhones
to
will
adjust Liquid Glass.
support it
So
better.
you can set it anywhere
I
from
actually
ultra
thought, like,
clear
I think not all apps are still fully integrated with
whole new
Liquid
way to
Yeah,
Glass.
personalize your
but I like the
experience
design.
across
I
apps.
really like it. Like it's
And
very
for
thoughtful.
developers who have already adopted Liquid Glass, these customizations apply in your apps right away. In addition to improving Liquid Glass, we also wanted to reincorporate some of the cornerstones of macOS design that our users have always loved. For example, to help better distinguish larger groups of controls and text from the content beneath them, there is now a more uniform toolbar across the top.
That looks
of apps.
horrible.
This keeps text labels and headings
Looks very
separate,
weird.
while
Too
also
strong.
providing greater structure.
Yeah, the
I mean, I don't
borders.
use Mail at
Line
all, but
structure of apps
yeah.
on Mac, sidebars now expand to the very edges of the window. This helps reduce distractions along the left edge, and it delivers the same
See,
beautiful
this is my
reflections
thing. If
as
your
content
design is
scrolls
your
on a
first
screen
main
to create
feature,
a more
like, that's
expansive
just
feeling across your app. Sidebar icons
three of the
also
things
retain
which I
color,
really want
making
to
it easier
fix
to
is like the
distinguish apps
file
and
manager
identify
or
which
a
window is active.
Explorer.
Yeah.
And every window on
Then
macOS now has the same tighter corner
Windows
closure,
management, you know, the
ensuring
stage manager or
greater
whatever the hell
consistency
they had
across all of
thing.
your
That
apps,
though I have never
even if
used.
they
Like I
haven't
think
been
once
updated.
when I saw it.
Yeah,
Finally,
something like
let's
an alt
dive into
tab,
app
so
icons.
quick switching.
Last year, we redesigned all of our app icons
Wait,
to
are we
establish
talking about
a
Mac
common
OS or
tone
iOS? I
across
don't
apps
get
and
it.
platforms.
What are we
This
on?
year,
No,
we're
they're
taking
talking
this
about
new
I think
design even
overall.
further,
Just design in
Liquid
general.
Glass, yeah.
additional layers of Liquid Glass directly into the icon artwork itself. Not only does the refraction between these layers add character to each icon, but this new approach also makes icons appear sharper and more defined. They look great in your dock, on your home screen, or when they're put into an all-clear look. Together, these updates culminate in an even more focused and approachable experience across your apps and across platforms. Now, back to Stacy.
These design improvements are just the beginning.
Better
As
be.
we embarked on this journey to raise the bar for our products even higher, We also spent a lot of time digging into the fundamentals. Things like memory usage, CPU utilization, networking operations, display rendering. I could go on and on. But really, the point is this. We optimize the parts of the system that make a big difference in the responsiveness of our products. For example, system animations are smoother, like swiping between home screen pages on your iPhone, entering mission control, or moving between spaces on Mac. Plus, a lot of things are faster. I'll just name a few. First, iPhone and iPad apps launch up to 30% faster. It's kind of unbelievable that it could get even faster, but the team found a way to preload the key data apps need when you open them, so they're ready to go.
Team find a way.
This applies to third-party apps too. And content across the system loads faster. For instance, after you shot some new photos, it used to take a beat for them to load in your library. Now, new photos appear up to 70% faster. And when you share those photos or other files with a friend using AirDrop, they'll transfer up to 80% faster. And browsing files and transferring them from iPad to an external drive is up to 5 times faster, making it just as fast as the Finder on Mac. We're also doing something that will make older iPhones feel even more responsive.
Oh yeah, is it 14 Pro is supported in the older iPhone?
Is 15 Pro supported?
Oh, CPU scheduler.
CPU resources across workloads as you use your iPhone throughout your day. Even when you're doing a ton of things at once, requiring a whole lot of compute, the CPU scheduler ensures the right work is executed at precisely the right time. On our newer iPhones, iOS already has an advanced CPU scheduler. This year, we further optimized it, so it's even more efficient when handling performance-intensive workloads.
You have the new iPhone, right?
But we
I have the
also figured
15
out a
Pro
way
Max.
to bring it to older
Oh.
models, all the way back to
I am
iPhone
just waiting
11.
for foldable. I am
And
not
yes,
buying any
that
other
does
iPhone.
mean that iOS 27 is supported on iPhone 11 and
Blinken is
all
saying
the
I think
same
they are
iPhone
making up all
models
these
as
numbers.
iOS 26. This continues our
I
No,
mean-
it's just
industry-leading support
I think
since
everybody's just
iOS
checking. Is this
27
iPhone? Is this
available to
nobody's
more
sure yet? What is this?
users than any iOS
Yeah,
release
could be.
ever.
This is making up the
There's
numbers.
also some work we've done that's about getting out of your way, clearing the path.
Thankfully, they didn't show the stupid chart
Find the things you're looking
of
for
their
without speed bumps.
benchmark charts.
Like with network transitions.
Yo,
We're
what is
making
this,
it
man?
more seamless for your
Network
iPhone to
transitions.
transition between cellular and Wi-Fi networks. We all know those moments.
You know,
when
like
find yourself
one thing,
jumping
the
into
only
Control Center
time
to
they
manually
said
toggle
once
off
that
Wi-Fi
we're
to force
making a
cellular
feature where the
connection. Like when
calls
you walk
sound
past your favorite
clearer.
coffee shop with that extra strong Wi-Fi signal.
So basically, that would be a
Riding
good
home
thing,
tonight
right? When
Yeah.
you're
off a flight
calling,
and realize
it
you're
just
still
still
connected to
feels
the
like we're in
airline, for
1980s or something.
Yeah,
help you
yeah.
avoid
It's like
making
HD
questions,
voice or
we've
something.
made your
I
iPhone
wonder if it was
smarter about
ever
when to stay
implemented.
connected
I don't even
and
know.
when to switch. And for those
It's
times when you're in
supposed
a
to
low
be
bandwidth
easy to
situation,
implement with current
sending
tech.
a big photo or video and messages will no
Well,
longer slow your
Don't forget we are in Goa.
You'll see a new send indicator for each
The-
message when things are
I mean,
taking
no, I was in
longer,
Bombay. I didn't hear anything
giving you
special.
clarity
It's
on
the same shit.
exactly what has and hasn't yet been delivered. There's one last area I want to mention where we've made a big push to help you accomplish what you need with greater ease and reliability, and that's search.
Okay,
We've
search is
all had that
finally
moment
will be
when you
working.
search for something you know is there, but it just won't show up. So on iOS, iPadOS, and macOS, we've rebuilt the foundation of search.
They should
to
buy a
handle
Raycast
Spotlight,
and
Photos,
integrate
and
that.
Mail.
Yeah, man.
At its core is
That
the
would be
search
awesome.
index. A
I
rich
mean, they're already
catalog
copying
that
Alfred,
builds up
so.
all your content,
Yeah.
so it can understand
But
what you
They
have
have done a
and
horrible
where to find
job
it.
in the past two releases on those
Re-architected the
spotlight
index so
features.
it's more stable,
Yeah, that's the thing.
more
Like a
efficient,
small things like
more
utility
comprehensive of
things,
content, both
you know,
old
like
and
just
new.
CPU manager,
After
battery
you update,
manager,
our
things
new
like that.
search
Yeah.
infrastructure goes to work indexing the content of your device, so it has a complete picture.
So the
of
iOS
all the
27 is coming
and as new
like
content
to
comes in,
iPhone 11 as
indexed
well,
almost
which is a great
See,
thing.
this is
So
where
when you go to
I have a
search, you'll
problem
find
with
what you're
how
looking for. Plus, in
they
Mail,
work.
a
You
completely
have the
new
foundation
system
AI in it.
surfaces
Why can you
more
not
relevant
integrate the
results in your
search with it?
contents.
It would
The
do
email
a
you're
much
looking
better
for
job
is more
with
likely to be the very
AI,
first
I
thing you
believe.
see, even if it was sent
Even if you
unsubscribed.
have like just local hosted
Those are
AI.
just some highlights of the work we've done this year to make
Well,
our
I don't know.
products
Maybe
smoother
because
and more
phone cannot
responsive.
have it. I don't know.
There are also some great features across your apps and products that we're excited to deliver. including some we've been hearing about from you. Let me give you a handful of examples. In Photos, your iCloud shared albums can now include all of
You
the
did not
photos
hear
and
this
videos
from me,
your latest
that my
vacation.
iCloud shared
Your friends
album
on Android or Windows can join
is
and
not
make
loading
custom
properly.
captures to the album. And what's more,
I think
shared
they
albums now
just
support
take
site
bugs
cycle
which have been there for a long time and they just
tracking.
wrap it as features.
Cycle tracking now has
Guys, this
support
was a
for
bug 6 years ago.
perimenopause
Now it's a
and
feature
menopause.
because we fixed
You
it.
can be notified when your cycle patterns are suggestive of perimenopause. Log your related symptoms
Oh,
and read
what is this?
educational information so you can understand more about what's going on with your body
Oh,
and be
biohacking
better prepared
features?
to talk to your doctor.
Probably not.
Focusing on
On
health a little bit
AirPods,
more.
we're delivering custom EQ
Oh, it's
so
not
you
bad.
can further personalize how your AirPods sound.
Yeah, actually, that's actually pretty good.
On Apple Vision Pro, you can now turn panoramas
Oh, I
and
guess
shots
there is Apple
into
Vision
space
still
Okay,
existing.
finally they're talking about it, so it's not dead yet.
making your memories even more immersive. And you can use those panoramas as your environment.
People who've used it, they said
Personal
pretty good things about it, by the way.
Yeah, I have seen all the videos. They
over in Maps,
really
we are giving
like it.
flyover an
It's just
incredible
that the
boost.
price
Using aerial
too
imagery
much.
combined with vision intelligence models, everything is rendered in stunning, sharp detail. From beautiful architectural details to the shapes of individual trees to the way light reflects off the glass of skyscrapers. You'll see cities around the world like never before.
Like
We are
never
thrilled
before.
about how these improvements touch so many parts
I
of the
think,
experience
you know, the whole
across our
hype,
platforms. Now, back
I
to
don't
Craig.
think they're going the different way, I think. Let's start really boring and then we will hype it up or
Enhancements
something.
that make things even more responsive, and some great new features.
Got it.
We think the experience you have with your Apple products will be more delightful than ever. Now, let's talk about trust and safety. We build products that empower people
So
and enrich
it
their
was about
lives
just
while
liquid
helping
glass
them
and
stay
iOS
safe.
27 as well.
We
So it's
provide
supposed about
end-to-end
design and
data
some,
protection
I
conversations,
guess, all common
strong
features
privacy
across all
protections in
their
Safari,
OSs.
Because I haven't seen anything which is new here. Like it's a very minor update then.
Yeah, so
And
the features they were showing were basically these are things which are going to be in all of them. Now they will probably start.
Is especially important when it comes to kids and teens who rely on our devices to stay in touch, to explore.
So a lot of
creativity,
countries,
enhance
if you know,
learning,
there's a new,
and to build
well,
their
you can say a
independence
wave
as
that
they
below
grow.
16 years, social media is
And
going to
as
be
parents
blocked for them.
Yeah.
ourselves, we're committed
So-
to building a safe and trusted platform for kids. So this year, we're taking a big step, expanding our child safety features with powerful and intuitive tools. To tell you about our approach, here's Sumbul.
Our work in this area is grounded in two core principles. First, we recognize that every child is unique, and parents are in the best position to decide what works for their family.
Boring.
Second, we believe in shaping Apple's child safety features based
I don't
on
What was
care.
the list
Take
we
all
made?
my data.
Best
You still
available
believe in a
tools,
foldable phone is coming
and
here?
non-relevant
With this
information
kind of energy in the beginning,
online
I
safety
doubt
No,
anything
yeah,
is
seriously,
coming.
what is this?
The importance of balancing learning, creativity, and
I mean,
connection with
if
establishing
this is the
boundaries
most
about
hype
child
feature.
This is
I mean,
critical
bro.
for protecting
Okay.
adequate time
Well,
for
they're
in-person social
so they did like an
interaction.
intro for
Academics, physical
this
activity,
event,
and
which
sleep,
had a lot of celebrities. So I
all of
was like,
which
oh
are
yeah,
essential for
must be
healthy child
something.
Huh.
development. The research also shows that kids under 18 using personal devices benefit from age-based protections guided by adult supervision. And for those under the age of 13, access to personal devices should be limited and expanded when a child is ready. As parents, we want our kids to develop healthy
Lady, my
digital
whoop is
habits.
gonna start telling me to
Help
sleep.
parents
You
accomplish
better hurry it
You
up.
better start talking fast.
Yeah.
And we are working with them to adapt it into a guide for parents.
JPEG is saying anything
Helps them
interesting so far.
establish
No
those healthy
JPEG.
digital
iOS
habits
27,
using
and
our
that
child
too with
safety features.
just some border
It's 30
changes.
times faster.
And it's
I
30
don't know what
times
it is.
faster.
Something is 30 times faster.
Something is 30 times faster.
30%,
And are
sorry.
committed to advancing the science in this area. We know many families are looking for help to make sure their kids experience only what parents think
I
they're
mean,
ready for.
where my iPhone 15
Here's
is now,
Rhonda to
after
show
this,
how
though, it
they
will
get
just
started.
be unusable if things go slower than.
Well, don't
how
say
it-
that, Devanshu. I have iPhone 14.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know how that 14 is handling this liquid
Is
glass.
this is this event like because we are watching in India? I'm seeing all these Indian people as key spokesmen. Is this like a feature? I don't even know.
Geo fencing with the characters who will speak.
Yeah, it's like maybe AI feature that you're in India. We'll just show you all the Indian keynote speakers. Next is Modi, maybe. I don't know, man. I won't be surprised, I guess.
Building off the Child Academy
Uh,
this year, we focused on
Shubham,
targeting
uploading is
things parents are
30%
most
faster. Yeah,
concerned
that's what
about,
they're saying.
like what content
Uh,
our kids can see, who they're allowed to
I
talk
got
to,
literally like 3
when
apps
kids
in my
have
phone.
access.
I
Yo,
don't
man, I
even.
have
I
like
don't care if it's 30%.
200 apps.
And we're providing parents with recommendations.
Well, you don't use 200 apps every day, right?
to help them
I
decide
might
what's
use
right
like
for their
20, 30 apps per day.
20 app a day.
content kids can
I
see.
can name like right
One time,
now,
there's
like
so many
20 apps I use
benefits
a
to your
day.
child having their own device. You rest easier
okay.
since
I
you can
believe
stay
you.
in touch, know where they are.
Atharv,
Provide
hi
them
Dev,
with
after a
free
long
apps
time.
to
Hey, hi
learn
Atharv,
and grow.
welcome to the stream, man.
We
We are
also
just
worry about
watching the
opening
WWDC
too
event.
much too quickly.
So
Letting
far,
kids
it's
access
going
things they're not ready for.
boring. They're
Starting
talking
this
about some trust and
Exciting.
security
kids
thing.
start focused by giving them
The only
access to
exciting
only
part
the
is
content they are comfortable
let's go India. We have 3 keynote speakers.
with. Add more over time.
India
Begins
3,
with an easy-to-use
USA 3.
US is 0.
where parents
No,
can
one.
choose
Fettuccine is
exactly
there.
what they want to
I
watch.
want to stream the, you know, like one of the concepts I was having is Claude and World Cup. We're watching World Cup and Claude.
Your child will be ready.
Oh, that's a very good niche actually. You can start.
Yeah, the only problem is Divyansh World Cup matches start at 3 a.m.
The best way to stay on top of what our kids can do
Then
is
to
to
its
manage
best.
which apps they
Hallucinating with
download.
Claude.
On the App
Yeah,
Store,
it's
every
like
app has an
how low your
age rating
HRV
that
can
helps
be.
us parents decide if it's appropriate for our kids. When a child finds an app they want,
Camera,
they
call,
need to
GPay,
ask for
WhatsApp,
permission.
Insta X.
Parents
Okay.
then decide
So
with helpful
I have like
contacts
many
if
many
it's the
other.
right app for their child.
JPEG. It looks like
And we
WWDC
read
is
these
happening in India.
requests right in messages
True.
with Ask By. This year, we're expanding
Varun,
what
I will
parents
sleep.
can
Hey, good
do
night, Varun.
beyond apps to the web with Ask to Browse. Kids need to ask when they want to view a new website. Parents can take a closer look before approving. This works seamlessly across
So for
iPhone,
adults, they have
iPad,
just
and Mac
rounded
with Safari.
corners.
Ask to Browse and Ask
And
By are both
for
on
kids,
by
there is a
default
10
for
20
kids
minute
under
section.
13. Parents can also enable these settings for teens.
How about who kids can talk to? Parents are in control here, too. You can start off with just the immediate family. Add grandparents.
I don't get it. Are you sure this is WWDC? I want to just check, man. This feels like a
Kids ask for permission before connecting
scam.
with anyone new. As parents, we also want our kids' conversations to be safe.
I want to see Twitter reactions. That's what. Did you have the Twitter on, by the way?
If a child
Just
receives
Yeah, I'm
there will
like
be the
browsing on there.
images or videos that might contain
I think most of the tweets are
communication
from
safety
these
warns
bot
you
accounts.
blurs
They
the
are
line.
just screenshotting the event and writing a hashtag and
This year,
pasting it.
communication safety also intervenes before kids can see gore or violent content in shared images or videos.
Next, let's talk about managing when your child has access to the apps on their personal devices. With screen time today, parents can see how much time a child is spending on their device.
Did I tell you about my ex? How they stole my annual membership?
Oh yeah, you told me like you signed up from your phone and on browser
Yeah. So in my
something
phone, I
happened.
had the monthly one going.
Yeah.
So then I thought, just fuck it, just buy the annual from web. So guys, this is a warning for you if anybody's trying it. Do not have an active iOS subscription on and go buy on the web because that will be just gone. You should see the messages they send me, right? Like I asked them like, yeah, like just if you don't want to refund the money, that's fine, just activate it. Oh no, the case is closed. We've decided, read the terms. What am I reading in the terms? I don't get it.
Crazy.
So pissed off.
Stumble mentioned, the American Academy of Pediatrics. And we will actively work with them to update these recommendations as the science evolves and we get feedback from parents. When it comes to social media, we know parents are concerned. Experts recommend children under 13 don't use social media, and that parents carefully consider when their teen is ready. And because every child is unique,
Parents are in control and can always adjust any of the suggested allowances based on what's best for their child.
We also know that every day isn't the same. A school day isn't the same as a weekend. And when it comes to school, we believe devices in the classroom should be used to support learning. So now, parents can easily set up a schedule and choose which apps are available to kids at different times of the day. This helps kids stay focused.
Are we saying Apple WWDC Junior?
Schedules work hand in hand with time allowances, letting you do things like offer extra time to watch a movie on the weekend. And of course, parents have the ability to fully customize these schedules to fit their family's routines.
So MKBHD has written, someone is saying that this keynote will be about platform improvements, trust and safety, where we are right now, and Apple Intelligence, and a new Siri.
At a glance, parents can see how their kids
What?
are
So
using their
no,
devices. In
basically.
a moment, parents can quickly adjust access.
Why do you do this to me, Tim? The day we live stream.
Kids have when exploring within apps.
Starting becomes
What's possible
boring
today
with
in
their
apps
keynote.
feels almost limitless.
No,
From
where does
hobbies
it
to
say
connect with
that?
others,
Do they
to
show my app
AI
here
and
anywhere?
immersive gaming. But as parents,
Screenshot it.
we want to make sure our children are ready for these experiences. While Apple's powerful controls help
JPEG is
parents
saying it's
manage
parent-Apple
which
meeting.
apps their child can access
Oh,
and
so that was
when,
not a meme. So
developers
basically,
play
same
a
corner
important
radius
role
for
in
every
ensuring
Mac
kids
app is
engage
actually a
with
feature.
Yeah,
experiences
they
within
they
apps.
just
That-
mentioned it. Like
Many
they were talking
apps
about it for
already
5
offer
minutes.
parental
I thought you were
controls
joking.
to
I
help
didn't even see
shield
that. I
No,
was
that's
just
what I'm saying. Like rounded corners.
We believe every app has that same responsibility. To help developers get started, we offer a full suite of
WWDC, no,
APIs
Kid
and
Tech Safety
resources.
Program by Apple.
For example, to help protect against nudity and violent content in apps.
Bro,
Or
we're
help ensure
done with
parents
this.
Permission
can
kit.
manage
Oh my god.
contacts in apps.
More permissions.
Developers can also use the declared age range API. This allows them
If there is any indie
privacy
developer, my advice would
Are
be
you
never
implement? Oh, sorry.
No, I'm saying like I'll never go into this territory where my app has to support
These and many more
childs. So I
resources
would
are
rather
available
build an
to
app
help
which is 18
developers
plus,
build
so I don't
safer
have to deal with this
experiences for
shit of
kids.
such
And
SDKs,
now,
such
back to
permissions.
Craig.
But
such
you know that
dependencies.
I'm pretty sure kids' products probably would be the most sort of sold. I
Monetary
mean,
wise,
yeah, exactly.
So
Like poems and all that stuff. You know.
there was a phase like couple of years back when games were earning crazy amount because kids to press anywhere on the screen, and developers used to place their ads, and their ad CTRs were highest because kids just tapping on the ads. But I think then algorithms learn, and then the whole CPM tanked.
Let's turn to intelligence.
Oh, intelligence.
Okay,
is
now we're
finally.
talking about some intelligence thing.
With the potential to shape society in profound ways, and with proper care, unlock meaningful benefits for people everywhere. Still,
How
some
old do you
people
think he
racing
is, by the
forward,
way?
seemingly pursuing
Okay,
AI
my
for the
best,
sake of AI,
he looks like
without clear
50
regard
plus.
for the people, all of
55?
us, it's ultimately meant to serve. At Apple, our mission has always been to turn the
Maybe
potential of
because
advanced technology into
of
helpful
his
and intuitive products for
hairs.
everyone.
White hair.
Yeah.
This has been true since the dawn of personal computing, and it's never been more important than today. We believe
People are saying forget about the WWDC, tell something about Sam.
and your needs.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
What is this
Sam.
stalker kind of behavior, guys? I'm just the guest in Divyanshu's stream. I'm just learning the ropes. Divyanshu is telling me, don't say too much. It's my stream.
I've
He's sending
started
me
writing. I have
messages.
not anything.
We'll be taking a big step forward with the next generation of Apple Intelligence that makes your Apple products more personal and useful. We'll tell you about its bold new architecture, how it unlocks an entirely new Siri that's
All right.
much more responsive
Now
to
we're
your
getting
needs,
some
Now we are getting
and
there.
how it makes your
architecture.
apps
Should be good.
smarter and more useful. So let's get started with our new architecture. It's centered around you and the Apple products that you use every day. And at the heart of Apple Intelligence are Apple Foundation models. This year, we embarked on a deep collaboration with Google, leveraging the technologies
Ooh,
behind the
Gemma.
family of models.
Gemini.
Together, we created the next generation generation of Apple Foundation models for our integrated Apple Intelligence experiences and adapted these new models to run
Except
on
Anthropic, I
device
think they have
and
tried
on
to collaborate
servers
with
using
everyone.
private cloud compute. These powerful server and on-device models
Apple have been the Rahul Gandhi of.
state-of-the-art understanding and reasoning with multiple modalities.
They tried
Anthropic is
everywhere.
like BJP.
Understand
Orange
computer
color.
vision, so you can create realistic images, edit photos like never before, and get answers about visual
The
concepts.
stream has everything, guys.
And we went further,
Politics behind it.
optimizing for the most capable of our Apple Silicon systems with a second, even more powerful version of our on-device model. This model.
See, I have a problem when they say even more powerful. Did you know how powerful your current was? Anything would be even more powerful than that.
Even
Like
more.
Open Llama is even more powerful than
Better
that.
natural language understanding and incredibly expressive voices. Next, we integrated our models deeply into our platforms, enabling a wide range of system-wide capabilities. And Apple Intelligence securely coordinates across them with a new system.
Oh, so thus they built a harness system.
These capabilities start with personal context
Yeah, okay.
understanding.
They're just explaining
Whether you're looking
harness
at
in a
photo
very
from
fancy
years
way.
ago or a note you took recently, you can find what you're looking
Personal
for
context
just by
understanding.
asking.
Like, see, they're saying as if people don't know what Claude is, or like nobody.
They are like it's like Apple's world, Apple's
Yeah.
fantasy world, where nothing
exactly.
of that sort exists.
Yeah. WhatsApp, like, they've done this, but now watch us do it.
Yeah.
To get up-to-date information.
It works when
Private
you're
cloud
actually
compute
doing
to
good features,
generate an
but
answer, whether you're researching for school or brainstorming for a party. And with App Actions, Apple Intelligence can draw on the app toolbox to find the right tools from your apps to complete your request.
Man,
Like when you're
I
drafting
mean,
an
in
email from
2026,
scratch or editing
Yeah,
that
it's
too
so
on
basic.
June
photos.
6th, you are talking about
Finally,
these things,
on-screen awareness,
where people are
Apple
like
Intelligence
harnessing
converges
agents,
assistance in the moment
multi-agent
so the app
architectures are being
yeah, well,
built.
so, like, we're saying this because we use this as an agent, but imagine, let's say, someone who's new to the system. For them, it's like,
from an all-new
yeah,
But I
I
think
can get it.
like ChatGPT is penetrated too like too deep into the tier 3 cities now.
I know, but can you imagine, like, even now, like,
every day.
like people do the prompting, like, imagine you are, it's like, how they used to. So
Yeah,
for
true.
them, the harness concept is still
Many
new.
AI
So I guess
devices
fine.
talk about privacy, but by default, most of them retain your personal interactions, leaving the onus on you to defend your privacy. Like using temporary chats, deleting conversations, or even turning off entire features. At Apple, we believe privacy in AI is non-negotiable. Apple Intelligence uses on-device processing as well as private cloud compute, which
This
ensures
is not
your
gonna be
data
for
is
iPhone
not
14
stored
then.
or
No
accessible
way.
to Apple or anyone else. Your data is only used to execute your request, and outside experts can continue to verify this promise at any time. Now, we're excited to show you all the ways that Apple Intelligence elevates your Apple products, starting with
Oh, all new Siri.
To tell you more, here's Mike.
Do you remember the image I sent you about Siri?
Which one?
The Dwight's office
Oh.
image. I want to put it, like, let me see if I can put it. If I can.
That was one of the funniest things.
Siri is the personal assistant that helps you get things done just by asking. Still, we know there are times when you expect more from Siri. So we've rebuilt Siri with powerful AI at the core. And today, we're introducing an entirely new version of Siri, unlocked by Apple Intelligence. We call it Siri AI.
Oh my god.
Siri AI uses our new Apple Intelligence capabilities, and you can tap into them in the same ways you access Siri today, like by saying, "Hey Siri." This includes personal context understanding, app actions, on-screen awareness, image understanding, and access to broad world knowledge. So Siri is now a profoundly more capable assistant
Not a
that
single
helps you
demo
find
yet, though.
what you need and gets more done. It's also more conversational, so you can go back and forth like never before and get detailed, engaging answers. As you have these rich conversations, you can refer back to them with a new dedicated Siri app.
Oh,
And not only
dedicated
that,
This is
Siri
new.
app.
now Siri
Mhm,
offers
yeah.
helpful visual intelligence across platforms, along with integrated tools so you can write, and edit with Siri virtually anywhere you type. As you get more done with Siri, you'll notice how it looks fluid and intuitive with a brand new design that reflects the power of Apple Intelligence. Let's take a closer look, starting with how Siri is a much more capable assistant. I want to get right into it and show you a few things that you can now do with Siri in your day-to-day. Let's start with something simple but super useful. Say you've heard about a local concert. When's that Suki Waterhouse show in SF? Siri can draw on current world knowledge to ground its answers
like
to
the
your
design.
questions. Okay, looks like the concert is on July 26th. How can I get tickets? Okay, you have to enter a lottery to get the tickets. Remind me to sign up when the lottery opens. Okay, got a reminder. Now let's hear one of her new singles. Reminders, music, the things you'd expect Siri to do, but now that much more capable.
So can you not see the history of
Next,
conversation?
let's see how
Like,
Siri
let's
can
say.
use awareness of what's on your screen. Where is this exactly? Here, Siri can identify the location of this beautiful shot
This is
along
good.
the Santa Cruz
This I
Coast.
like because I do this a lot of time when I
Natural bridges
screenshot a
State
thing
Beach.
and then send to
My friend
ChatGPT.
recently moved
Yeah,
somewhere around there.
that's
I
good.
wonder if he's nearby. Where's Jeff's new place? I remember he sent his new address, but I really actually don't know where it is.
Can you actually, let's say,
But Siri can
random
find
people,
it.
can you just,
Nice.
can you
Tell Siri
identify
to
him?
find it.
It's gonna
I should
search the
say,
internet.
give me directions to
Especially
find
girls
Jeff's
stalking them.
With a little world
Yeah, like imagine there's a girl standing. Find out which
Find
beach it
it.
is. Oh God. I'm giving
There you
ideas
go.
to.
My route,
It's
just
stalkers.
like that. Let me show you
I always
what
think
works
of the
Siri helped
ever
me
since the
get
Obsession
done
movie.
using my personal context.
It's only worst case scenario first.
Shasta last weekend. Siri is searching through my photos to find the ones from my family's recent ranch trip. Let's see.
Wait, that's weird.
Okay,
Let's say if I'm not on my phone, will it
cows.
still do it?
Add just the ones with
What do you
Bryce,
mean?
Madison, and Quinn to our shared
Well,
family
it's
album.
saying show me the last 30 photos
So without having to go into the Photos app at all,
with voice.
Siri can
Yeah.
help me find just the photos I have in
So
mind.
it's probably only my voice, right? It cannot be someone else.
I know. I think it
Share
will just
them
do
with the
fit
whole
for
family.
everyone.
Easy
It
as
is.
that.
No, that's
These are just a
crazy.
few of the
That's
ways
not
that
possible.
Siri AI is much more capable. For products that support our most advanced on-device model, we have two enhancements that are really useful throughout your day. First, a brand new voice experience that enables Siri to sound incredible and a lot more expressive. Just listen.
Jaws said, "Team, these apricots are peak. Have they always been this good? Why has no one told me? I'm telling you, man, I've been changed. Clear the fridge. No, clear all the
What?
fridges."
The hell?
Jaws. And you can customize Siri's voice like never before, adjusting expressivity
What is this? Like,
until it
What?
Hi, let's find the right voice for you. I'll practice some things I like to say while you listen. Let me try this one out. You have one
That's
new
good.
message.
this is
Here's
a good
another one.
customization.
Your timer is set for 1
Yeah.
minute. Now
For
for some
me,
directions.
for my ADHD, I
At the
wanted to
next
put it
stop
to the
sign,
max.
Turn right.
Yeah.
Plus, we're making a big update to system-wide dictation with a major boost in accuracy.
JPEG is
It's
saying
much more
11 labs
precise at
have much
capturing
better
what you
result than
say,
this.
from
True, man.
spelling,
Like I've been
punctuation,
experimenting with a lot of these TTS
and
models,
because it's built right into the
and
keyboard,
this
you can use it
sounds
across
like
Usually on the
so.
Sesame also released. I don't know if it's
Sesame, yeah,
available.
Sesame was one of the best.
or thinking
Now there
out
are 2,
loud
3
while
more
using your
who are
journaling
really
app.
good.
All these updates to Siri extend to CarPlay as well as
I'm
AirPlay.
struggling to see anything
And
new,
that's
by the
far
way.
from all.
It
We're
looks
going
kind of
even
the same. I
Yeah.
mean,
Here's
okay,
just
there are
what we tell
few
you
design
now.
stuff, but
We're enabling Siri to be much more
I think the
conversational.
only person who has
So it gives you
enjoyed
richer answers.
is the
It gets more
engineers in
done for
Apple
you.
who has done
This goes well beyond
nothing
quick
but
questions
just
or
added 2
one-shot
lines
tasks.
of Gemini
With Siri
API
AI, you can ask for
on
in-depth
top of
plan,
everything which was
go
already
back
there.
and forth during a creative brainstorm,
get feedback on a document.
Imagine
So much
we've
more.
had 6 months of
This
Claude.
capability
All
is available to
these
you system-wide.
lazy asses could have been
Plus,
coding much better
intelligence
features
experiences
using
for each
Claude, but
platform.
no,
You know,
they
Siri
probably were
could be
using.
killed. Like
Swipe
Siri could
down
be
for the
killed
dynamic on the
tomorrow
search.
if they
Or to start
open
a
up the
conversation
API
with
for
Siri
any
by
third
typing.
party like Claude or
Of course,
ChatGPT.
you can
It's
say,
just
"Hey,
that
Siri,"
it's
or
blocked,
use
so
the
they
side
only
button
have the
for an in-depth
monopoly
answer.
to do all
Let me
this.
show you.
But imagine if they allow Siri to
I'm
connect like a
excited to
different
watch the
model.
World Cup.
They will
How
never
about
allow
this?
it though,
Yeah, they will not. So
because of
that's
the
what
privacy
it's
stuff.
their
Schedule for
also
opening
like their
weekend of the World
monopoly
Cup.
on the thing.
But they allow it in Swift though.
No,
Here we
you
go. There's
like
the
you
schedule.
cannot have these
Now check
layouts,
this out.
layers on
You can
top
pull
of
down
your
the bottom,
screen on any by any third
and I'm in
party.
a
Only
brand
they
new
can do it.
conversational experience with a lot more information.
Oh, by the way, if
This Brazil
anybody is
versus
a
Morocco
sports
match
fan,
will be
Apple
great for a
Sports is
watch party.
launched. It's
In
a
India.
really good app,
I
by
want
the
to
way.
plan a
It's an
watch party
amazing app.
for the Brazil
So if
versus
you're a
Morocco
sports
match.
person, get that app.
Give me iconic dishes from both countries.
So that's the Siri app, I guess.
Hmm. Kind of like Claude and ChatGPT.
And here we go. Now
What?
check this out.
Oh,
Here we go.
Siri
Check this
even
out.
included
Such a
images.
cool tech.
This is great. I would love to make
I
tagine.
can't even pronounce tagine.
Now I know my daughter would like to contribute
Tagine.
one of her creations to this feast. What was that dessert Maria mentioned recently? Siri's searching across my phone.
Which Maria?
Oh, wow.
Pulled her
This
message
is
right into
good.
the conversation.
This is a good
Mhm.
feature.
coconut
Like it can
cookies.
access
Sounds amazing.
messages.
Messages, yeah.
Now let's bring
But
this
can
all
it also
together.
access WhatsApp messages or just iMessages?
Bring these together for a one-of-a-kind menu for my watch party.
No, I think it will only be for iMessage because WhatsApp database they cannot access.
But they should be able
Okay,
to
let's
if you
see what
connect it
Siri
as an
can do.
app.
No, I mean Meta's
WhatsApp
data is
probably needs to
encrypted.
make an
Yeah,
MCP.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
WhatsApp
yeah,
needs to open
This
it up.
looks awesome.
yeah. Yeah.
And Maria's coconut cookies are included here for dessert. I can refine this menu further with Siri or ask it to provide me recipes for these dishes. But for now, let's get some friends in on the plan. Send a message to the Gold Chasers group chat, asking if they're up for a watch party. Include the menu.
I don't know why he's so happy. Fucking for a dessert. It's actually quite slow, I think. I don't think it's fast. I expected
Alright,
much
let's see.
faster.
Siri called out the game. I can scroll through.
Yeah, because I
Edit
don't
this
think
if I
it
want.
will be like on a thinking mode. It will be
This
on
looks
their
perfect.
fast
Let's
mode,
send it.
which is not very smart. No reasoning is happening. In that
Here we
case,
go,
I
done.
think ChatGPT
So
is
as you
super
just
fast.
saw, Siri used this world knowledge, helped find personal content, and collaborated with me to land on a super original menu for the party. Now let's talk about Siri on
I think they will get
macOS.
they're gonna
Offers a
get trolled
conversational
after this
experience
on
that's
Twitter.
just right for the larger display.
I'm pretty sure they
You
already
can
are.
engage with them anywhere across your Mac. Because we're integrating
Oh, is
Siri
that Spotlight?
into
Oh.
Spotlight is already where you go to find your apps,
It
files,
doesn't
and
look
more.
good on Mac.
Now, it helps you find answers to your questions too.
It looked good
You can
on
also kick off a
iPhone.
conversation with system-wide context
Nobody
clues.
uses this for
Just control
Spotlight.
click
I
to
mean,
ask Siri about images, files,
for
or
finding
text.
answers.
Let me give you a closer look. Spotlight is of course great for
Or
finding
use
just
put a
about
widgets.
anything on my
Probably the
Mac.
only person in the world, I guess.
Like this folder we use to keep track of family stuff.
But I do like the
Now
widgets.
my
They're
son
like
is
blended
super
in
into
there.
3D printing. His school has a setup, and I want to help them expand it to a dedicated space. I can just ask Siri for help right from Spotlight. How should I think about building a maker space in a shed?
So does it have
As I type
like a
this,
RAG
Spotlight
system? Does it
recognizes
go to
this is a
web
query
or is it
for
only
Siri.
inbuilt model?
I can press
I
return.
think they just showed like it can do
And start a
live
conversation.
searches on internet as well.
Now, of course, this is a Mac, so I can drag this anywhere and resize it to see more. There's some great info in here for me to get started. Now, Siri can also answer specific questions
Sponsored
about
by
content
Google
on my Mac,
Gemma.
like these quotes I have for different sheds. They're all formatted differently.
But this
It's
will
really hard
be
to compare.
in device, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
multiple
Because if
files.
it's sort of offline in device, then
We
it's
have the
very
context
helpful.
menu.
Yeah, then it's
And
In
I've got a
some
new Siri
cases.
field
like
that
when
I
we are
use to quickly
flying.
ask a question about my
Yeah,
flight.
exactly.
Yeah.
I mean, you could just
Compare
use
these
for coding, I think. No? I mean, Small stuff.
It will not be.
Series
Like I
AI
tried
free files.
very good model like Quen's
check this
3B,
out.
but it was shit. Like
Give me a
except for
great table
creating a
to help
landing page,
visualize it and explain how
it
they
can't
stack up.
do anything.
Let's also factor in a problem my son hit with the old setup at school. Luke mentioned an electrical problem. Which one will fix it?
I think people who bought the
Now
tickets
check this
would
out.
be
Siri
like
can also
looking
deal with
around.
my
Where's
mismatched
Yeah,
the?
yeah, like
Can we sell this shit to someone?
Siri's searching across my messages and emails to
people
find what my
buy
son shared.
tickets, like pay from their pocket to watch this.
Yeah, I think it's $1,500 for if you wanna
What?
buy.
All right, here we go.
To
I think
listen
developers
to
you get
kid security.
invites.
Clear recommendation.
Well, they used to have for sure $1,500 was the entry for, because you can see and talk to new developers as well, unless you're not invited.
Email to them asking if they
I don't know if it's still there.
They are,
Maybe it's-
the memes have started coming in.
Now Siri's writing an email from scratch to modular.
This guy will be the face of the meme, I
Yeah,
promise
he
you.
is. He is. It's I'm showing on my live. Like,
I don't know
you
why. He
monster.
just reminds me of someone. I just can't put my finger, but it just.
This is awesome. So those are
Is
just
it George of the Jungle or like Stifler from American Pie or something?
Now back to life. We're bringing Siri AI, including its rich conversational experience, to even more platforms, like iPadOS.
So you know, like what's really telling? The new CEO of Apple has not showed at all. I think he saw the recording. He like, you know, guys, you do your
You
thing.
do it today.
I'll do the next one.
Come when
I'll do the
thing-
next one.
Yeah.
Or kick off a new one.
Keep me away from this
See
one.
an overview of your conversational history, which is synced privately with iCloud. So you can start chatting with Siri on your iPhone, pick up where you left off on your iPad, and wrap up on your Mac. We're also tailoring Siri AI for watchOS. So you can ask questions and take action right on your wrist. And you can also tap into the Siri app using the new app grid on Apple Watch. On visionOS, Siri AI takes full advantage of the power of spatial computing with a 3D visualization of Siri that you can place anywhere in your space. And you don't have to say, "Hey Siri," just look at Siri and start speaking.
Tell me about the show Silo, and check if I'm free when it premieres.
We can't wait for all the ways that rich conversations with Siri will elevate your experience across our platforms. Now, over to Seb.
There are even more ways to get things
Yeah, I already
done
missed
with
the Indian
Siri
guys
AI.
who were doing it.
First, Siri now offers powerful visual intelligence.
These are like
across our
interns, right? They
platforms.
cannot be senior
On iPhone,
developers and
it's
all.
integrated right
This
into
guy
the
is a
camera
VP.
app with a brand new Siri mode. It allows you to get information and take action on what's in front of you.
Siri mode in
Simply
camera,
tap the
okay.
shutter button
Oh,
to
they
let
have
Siri
Siri in
see what
camera
you
now.
see
Okay.
and give you a useful response. And you can pull down to get rich details
That's good,
and ask follow-up questions. Your images and conversations are saved.
Oh,
in
see, you
Siri,
have the
so
history
you can
in the
easily
Siri app.
revisit them.
Oh.
And this deep image understanding is powered by Apple Foundation models that run on private cloud compute to protect your privacy. The Siri mode also suggests relevant actions in the moment based on what's in front of you. For example, you can point your iPhone at a plate of food to get nutritional insights. Or if you're grabbing a
that's
bite with
nice,
friends,
actually.
you can point your iPhone at the bill, then select
Oh,
what
I
you
see that-
ordered.
that's
click a
one
tab
feature that's
with
good.
Apple Cash. We're also bringing visual intelligence to macOS, where you can access it with a dedicated keyboard shortcut. Then select something on your Mac display and type directly to Siri to get a helpful answer.
Can this be made gluten-free?
And you can go back and forth to learn more. Plus, it's easy to take action with what's on your screen. So, if you're looking at a schedule, just bring up visual
It's not bad.
intelligence. And it suggests relevant actions like adding multiple events to your calendar all in one go. On iPad, you can use.
Would you
visual
use any of these
intelligence to
features,
ask
by the
Siri
way?
about what's on your screen,
No,
search
I'll just
visually,
be using
and
that
take
one.
action. And it's integrated
Screenshot
right into
instead
the
of
screenshot
screenshot, just
experience.
asking
Visual
Siri
intelligence
what
with
is in
Siri
this image.
is also coming to
Yeah.
Maybe
visionOS,
copy
where
the
you can ask
text,
about
extract
things
the
just
text.
by looking
Because
at
I
them.
do use
Will
those
this work
things
as
a
a
lot.
carry-on for my flight in September?
But if there's no internet, that at least, you know.
Siri recognizes what you're looking at, and it can combine
So
world
the
knowledge
new
and
beta is
personal
available, by the
context
way.
to provide a helpful
For
answer.
27.
Yes,
No,
the REI
I'm not
Flash
going
22
beta this
pack
time because
easily
last time my
works as a
phone
carry-on if
fried
you'd like to
and I
outfit
had to
in
do all the
September.
reset, factory reset and all that shit.
You can also ask Siri about physical objects around you.
Yes, your Loa hiking boots will physically fit inside the REI Flash 22 pack, but it will be a tight squeeze.
Now, in addition to visual intelligence, writing tools are now more powerful and integrated into the Siri experience. So you can write with Siri virtually anywhere you type. Suppose you're kicking off a document at work. Just describe what you need in natural language, and Siri can
This was
generate
already
a draft
there
from
last
scratch
time.
to get the ball rolling. And when you write with Siri in mail and messages, it can reflect how you usually communicate with a specific colleague or friend. For example, if you normally send your manager
I
quick
still
and
have my
direct bullet
hopes
points,
high that
that's
in
what
the
you'll get
end
when you
For
draft
that
an
foldable
email.
phones,
guy
you're
will come
joking.
and
You
he'll
can
say,
also get
but
feedback on your writing.
one last
One
thing,
more
Just select
thing.
what
one
you've
more
written,
thing.
then ask Siri how it sounds.
He's
And
not done it
Siri
for
gives you
about
helpful tips
500
and
years
suggestions
now.
to improve your work.
Before leaving, he
What's
should
great
do it
is as you
today.
type in apps
He did
across
it
the
for Apple
system,
Watch, by the way.
Apple Intelligence now
Yeah, he
automatically
did for
One
proofreads
more
for you.
thing, I think.
No need to take an extra step. And automatic proofreading is available system-wide, including most third-party apps.
Come on,
Those are
Apple,
just
wake
some
up,
of the
do
ways
something.
that Siri AI is deeply integrated across our platforms, putting a wide
They
range
changed the
of useful
format,
tools
first of all.
right at your
It used to
fingertips.
be one by one,
And now,
Yeah.
you
back to
do, and then
Craig.
you show other features.
We couldn't be happier to bring you Siri AI, our new version of Siri powered by Apple Intelligence. It's more intelligent,
I think
knowledgeable,
OS, it's
and
not
capable.
changing anything. It's just
It
very
enables
minor
rich
update
conversations and
in
lets you
Golden
refer
Gate and
back to
Golden
them with
iOS
a
27.
dedicated app.
This looks like
Plus,
feature
Siri
tightening
AI
kind
has
of an update.
expansive
Yeah.
visual intelligence,
Um,
integrated tools for writing.
I mean, there are
and
some
more.
things which
Siri
are
AI will be
obviously
available in
helpful,
English to start, and will
but
quickly expand
for
support for more
WWDC,
languages.
it's quite disappointing. They
Now,
Yeah, I
let's
mean, what
turn
the
how
developers
Apple
gonna learn?
Intelligence
Like,
is
there is
integrated
nothing new
deeply
except
across
for
your
that
apps.
security of kits, that new
With
kit
its new
which they're
architecture
talking
and
about.
Yeah,
capabilities,
permission
But
powers
kits.
so
sometimes,
many
like, there are
helpful
some things
features to
which they do not
simplify the
talk
things
on
you
these
do
things,
Yeah,
every
but they
day.
do release.
From browsing the web and
Wait, what is
Safari
that icon?
to staying on top
Next
of
to
your
the
communication
photos.
and
Oh
schedule,
yeah, that's
editing
interesting.
your favorite photos,
Some
Oh, is
and
that the
more.
weather one?
To tell you about some of the features
Some
Apple
dreamy,
Intelligence
sleepy
powers
icon.
in apps, here's Beth.
Health? No, what was that? Journal? No. Did you know, like, remember there was this Motion VFX? There was a website which used to make plugins. Apple bought it. Apple bought it. So I believe they will
Apple
integrate in
Intelligence,
Final
we're
Cut
bringing
Pro.
you exciting new
You see
features
that icon?
across apps like Safari.
I would like
passwords,
passwords to be a
messages,
little bit
and
more
more.
stronger. Okay.
Let's start with Safari.
Yeah.
Safari was designed to help you move fast and stay focused on what matters. One of the ways we're delivering on that
Imagine
this
the
year
guys in
is
the
a
background.
I
No
like
matter
their
what to do,
camera.
just stay in that pose.
All that
Don't
in
drink
browsing
coffee.
session
I
can
love
lead to
that
lots
campus
of
so
open
much.
tabs. Today, Safari provides helpful tools like profiles and tab groups to manage your browsing. But it can still be a lot of work to keep track of everything. Now, Safari can use Apple Intelligence to tame your tabs by organizing them into topics. Safari analyzes each page, identifies similarities, and then brings related tabs together, making it easier to find what you're looking for. And Safari keeps you organized. It adds new related tabs to a topic even
It's
as
not
you
a
browse.
bad feature, but
When you're done for the
vertical
day, you can
tabs
close an
only,
entire
lady.
topic or save
Vertical
it for later as
tabs.
a tab.
No more horizontal
Safari
tabs
also
for
uses
me.
Apple Intelligence to help you stay on top of updates you care about. Sometimes we keep tabs open because we're
You know,
waiting for
just
something,
in Safari and
like
mobile,
camp signups
I still
or a
find
product
so
transaction
difficult of
style.
using Safari.
That can
Just
lead you
seeing
to
all the book,
constantly
like all the
refresh to see if
pages
something has been
together.
updated. Now,
It's so
Safari
confusing.
can automatically monitor
It's just
a page
so messed
on
up.
your behalf with Notify Me. You can use natural language to tell Safari what you're looking for, and then close that tab with peace of mind.
Ooh.
And later, when Safari detects the change, you'll
Oh,
get a
that's
notification
not bad.
so you can take action.
How does it
Of
do
course,
that?
all the
Like,
intelligence we're adding to Safari is built
Interesting,
privacy
even if your
interesting.
browser is
Unlike some
closed?
browsers with AI
Very
that
unique
track your
idea.
every move, Safari helps you stay in control of your sensitive
I
browser.
think this is more
by
like,
not
you know,
sharing
the
it with anyone,
open claw
not
kind
even
of.
your phone.
Yeah.
Let's talk about how Safari is
It's a
even
very
more
good use
personal.
case for an open cloud.
Wouldn't it be great if you could tailor the content of
Tatkal
a web page
tickets.
to
I
Yeah,
know
exactly.
someone will be
particular needs
happy.
and preferences?
But
Like
I
adding
think
a
it will
button
only
to the
detect
toolbar to
change,
save
like
and
some
rate
status
recipes
change or
you've
something.
tried?
will not
Now,
do the
with
search
describe
for
an
you.
extension, you can do just that. Simply describe what you want in natural language, and Safari can create a custom extension that adapts web pages just for you.
This is also
Safari
interesting.
also works with the Passwords app to
I
upgrade your
want groups
security
in
using
passwords.
Apple Intelligence.
I need payments in
Passwords
password.
already alerts
Yes,
you about
like
weak
credit cards and
compromised
stuff.
passwords, but going to each
Then-
site and
Then I'll
changing
remove
them
my
can
dash lane,
take
which is
time.
just 29
Now,
rupees a month.
you can automatically update eligible accounts to strong passwords with just a tap. Behind the scenes, Passwords uses Apple Intelligence and Safari to agentically take action on your behalf.
Oh, it'll change password on my
securely
behalf?
navigating
That's
through each
awesome.
website
So I would
to
know.
sign in and fix your passwords, giving you peace of mind.
Wait, what does it
without
do?
the
Like
hassle.
change the password?
Apple Intelligence also
How
helps
will
you
it do
stay
it
on top
without,
of your
like,
communication
verification?
and schedule.
Yeah, I
Useful
mean, what
features
if-
that put relevant information at your fingertips across messages, mail, calendar, and the phone app, right when you need it. Now, Messages uses Apple Intelligence to understand the
My nap
context of your
time.
conversations and offers one-tap suggestions, making it easier than ever to get things done, like creating a reminder.
Yeah, nobody
or a
uses
note.
this app.
Or if someone
Like,
asks for
not in
photos,
India,
They
but-
destroyed
Messages
this
helps you
also. You know,
find the
just
right
the
ones.
notifications
Just
are
tap
all
search
over the
for
place. I
photos,
can never find
Messages
some of the
recognizes
OTPs which I want.
keywords,
It's
Like-
just hidden
location,
somewhere.
And you
people
know
name
what?
in your
One thing which is
library
super
to find the best
irritating
options.
when you tap on OTP on the
When you
keyboard
receive an
and the
email,
message gets
Mail
deleted
also
as soon as you
offers
tap
more
on it.
capable
So for
suggestions.
example,
Yeah,
for some
that's.
reason you
I
don't
didn't know
fill it,
this. You know,
Letting you
like because
quickly
I know
take
like I've
action with
entered
your
the
favorite
OTP
apps,
wrong and they're just
including
gone.
it's gone, and then you have to go.
Plus,
Then recently I
Calendar
found
now
out you
uses
can go
Apple
to trash
Intelligence
and
to
you
let
can
you
find the
add
whole
events to your
deleted
schedule,
message.
just by describing them in natural language. As you type, Calendar
Oh, see,
identifies
this
Elena
is
as someone in
nice.
your
Like this
contacts,
is what I
puts
want.
magic donuts
Like
in the
NLP
location,
language.
and adds a title.
Like to dos should be like
It's
this.
also easier to
and-
edit events.
Yeah,
So
calendars
you
for
can change
sure.
calendar,
team
yeah.
lunch to every other week.
Okay, that's
Calendar
nice.
app
Okay, this is
adjusts the frequency
now I
dynamically.
can use calendar. I don't
Apple
need
Intelligence
fantastical
also
anymore.
powers a useful feature in the phone app. Now, when you call a business, call context can
Wait, then
proactively
if this
surface
is an inbuilt
relevant
feature in calendar, then it
information
must be
across
like
your
a,
apps. So if you
like a
call
you know
an
one of those
airline to change
kits
your flight,
sort of a
the phone app
thing,
can
right? For sure.
automatically find your confirmation code in mail. So you have exactly what you need right when the call starts.
Oh,
Very
wow.
interesting.
And the phone app looks at who you're calling, not
So
what
these
you're
will be
saying,
available for
to surface
developers as
helpful
well.
info. It runs entirely on device, so nothing is shared with Apple or anyone else. Now, over to Cecilia to show you a few more apps with brand new intelligence.
Let's talk about how you can use Apple Intelligence to streamline the things you do every day
Okay,
in
I'm interested in home.
and shortcuts. Now, Apple Intelligence makes it easier to stay on top of things at home, starting with accessory notifications. They're a great way to know what's going on, but they can also add up. The Home app
you have any
draws
home
on
app
Apple
products?
Intelligence to
HomePod or
understand
something?
related
I have HomePod,
notifications
2
as
HomePods.
a single activity. So you get one notification that continues to update as this activity happens. We've also got some cool new tricks for one of the most popular home accessories, cameras. The Home app can now use Apple Intelligence to analyze recorded clips from compatible cameras and generate descriptions
Boy, which are the
that
compatible
summarize what happened
cameras?
in them. And because it understands what happened in the video,
I
it
would
can
like
pull up
this.
relevant
I have
footage
my
from all your cameras.
doorbell.
So when you play a
so
clip,
it would be.
the Home app seamlessly connects them together to give you the whole picture. Like what exactly has been going on in your backyard? This
See,
deeper
this
level
was-
of
this is
understanding
the idea
also
which I was
enables you
trying to
search
build,
through camera clips by what was
CCTV.com.
captured. Before you even
Like
type,
a
the Home app
CCTV which
elevates
knows
the
what's
most important
happening.
clips you might
All
want
the
to review
like
at
dumb
the very top of
CCTVs.
search.
But they all
Or if you're
like
still
that's
looking
already
for that one
inbuilt feature now in
specific
every
moment,
CCTV,
like a
right?
package
In mine
delivery,
also
It's-
detection,
you can find
movement.
So
etc.
exactly
it's
what you're
just
looking
detection.
for
I want to have a
across multiple
conversation
cameras.
with my cam,
Oh,
basically.
So
okay,
that's
okay.
how
Because it
Apple
has eyes,
Intelligence
so it
helps
can
you
see and
understand what's going
observe
on
anything.
at home. Plus, you can now view your recorded clips in even greater detail with 4K resolution on supported
They
cameras.
keep saying supported cameras.
Another
Is
place
it
where
actually?
Apple
I don't even
Intelligence
know
is
if
Yeah, I
there
think
is.
there is
daily
this
workflows
label of
is
Apple
shortcuts.
Home certified
Shortcuts
cameras.
It's the
help
Matter
people get
certified.
more
Matter.
done
That's
faster
their
by automating
protocol.
all kinds of things.
It's called Matter.
And we're taking a big step forward to make shortcuts more approachable than ever. You can already connect hundreds of system and app actions to simplify your common multi-step tasks. While super powerful, the process of creating these shortcuts can feel, well, complicated. So,
we're making it easier than ever by letting you simply describe a shortcut.
Oh.
Shortcuts now uses Apple Intelligence to reason over your natural language description and assemble all the
Big
required steps
Dan
for
for
you,
the
just
win.
like
If
that.
you're currently on the iOS
Say
26
you want to
beta,
let your
do
partner
you
know
actually get the
what
iOS
time you'll get
26 beta?
home every
So
time
it depends
you leave
if you
work.
have enabled the
You could
automatic
type something
download,
like,
automatic
"When I'm leaving
upgrades
work,
on your
Yeah.
setting,
Pedro, I'm
then
on
you
my
will
way with my
automatically get the
ETA."
latest
You need
update.
to enable
Shortcuts then
automatic
pulls
beta
together
updates.
system and app actions you
I
need.
had that enabled
In
last
this
year,
case,
but
it creates an
I have
automation
closed it
that
because
runs the
my
shortcut,
phone
Yeah,
fried
checks
last.
your work address,
you should know
calculates
that
your
it
ETA
really
home with
drags your
maps,
phone down.
and
Yeah,
sends it with
it's
messages.
usually it's
See
good idea
something you need
to
to tweak
download like
or
that
add, just describe it,
27.01
and
or
Shortcuts makes the
27.2
change,
some
like
other
automatically
updates.
playing your favorite podcast too. It's the perfect superpower to stay on top of things every day.
I
There's
think
never
there was
been
a
a
startup
better
who was
time to
doing this,
try out
like
Shortcuts.
just type a
Now,
message and
I'll
it
pass
creates
it over to
shortcuts for
Leslie
you.
to tell you about how
It was
Apple
getting very
Intelligence helps you express
popular,
yourself.
and now it's inbuilt in app.
Apple Intelligence helps you bring your creativity to the next level with an entirely new version of
Oh,
Image
this is
Playground.
Image Playground.
Image
What the
Playground.
hell?
This
They
year,
made
we're
an icon for
reimagining
it.
the experience with powerful image models at the core.
This was, you know, the
Playground
Memoji
now
they
lets you
started
make
with it.
high-quality images in pretty much any style you want,
Okay,
including
you're
photorealistic,
welcome,
thanks
Big
to our
Dan.
new generative model that runs on private cloud compute. This is a major upgrade for image generation across our platforms, giving you a more powerful way to bring your imagination to life. From stunning nature scenes to fun images using multiple people from your photos library. You can also transform your photos into endless styles just by
Yeah,
describing
these
what
guys
you
are
want
1 year
in
late to the
natural
party,
language.
but yeah.
And with private
But
cloud
if
compute,
this all
your
happens
photos are
locally,
never stored or shared,
I'm impressed.
even with Apple. We're also giving you brand new ways to modify your images. Let's say you're planning a birthday party for your friend, and you want to make an image for the invite. You can start with a person from your photos library and a simple description to make a fun image of her with a birthday cake. Then describe the changes you want to make. And since this is a mystery-themed party, let's make sure she looks the part. It's really easy to refine your images using touch, too. Just circle over an object to highlight it, like that cake, to do things like move or resize it, or describe your change in natural language. So with the cake selected, you can add candles to give it that perfect finishing touch. You also have more ways to use the images you create, like choosing the right dimensions for what you're working on, including a landscape image for your small business's website, or a portrait image for your flyer. Image Playground is integrated across the system, so it's great for making
It's a new
images
app
for things
for,
like
I
messages
guess.
backgrounds. And we're bringing it into more experiences, so you can generate contact posters and lock screen wallpapers. Plus, you get suggestions made just
not
for
bad.
you, which are inspired by your photos with your favorite locations and activities. And for developers,
If it's
these new
good
features
and
are
it's
available
local,
with the Image
I'm
Playground
impressed.
API.
But I'm
I mean, it's
This
developers
all-new
are
experience
able to
opens
use
up
this,
a
so
whole new
it
world
must
of
be local.
but I
possibilities for
really
your
doubt it will be good
creativity. Now, over to Alok.
Yeah.
because Apple is not working on any
In
of these,
addition
so
to
they are
the
using
images
some
you
open
dream up,
source thing.
we're giving you brand new Apple Intelligence capabilities for the photos you capture.
True.
At Apple, we have a deep respect for the craft of photography. And so our goal for bringing AI into the Photos app is to help photographers enhance their images in ways that respect the original moment. And now, Photos can tap into the new, more powerful image models of Apple Intelligence to make incredible edits possible. We have 3 features to help make your compositions frame-worthy. First, the popular cleanup tool is getting a big upgrade.
Imagine like
So
them
you
trying to
can
hype
remove
these features up.
distractions with better quality and
It's
more
how
realistic infill.
much effort you have
even
to
when the
take
scene is
to hype it
complex,
up.
like this.
It's not bad.
Next, sometimes you wish you had a little more space around your subject, or you need a different aspect ratio for a project. Now you can expand your images with the Extend tool to give
That
your
plant
subjects
looks very
more
weird.
breathing room, or to straighten a crooked horizon.
It's
without
good if it's
jumping
in
out
your
anything
camera. It's
important.
not bad.
And we have one more super impressive new editing tool, one that builds on Cleanup and Extend and our deep understanding of spatial models thanks to Apple Vision Pro. Have you ever looked at a photo and wished you would have had more time to think about the composition when you captured it? Maybe you accidentally framed a sign above someone's head, Or the photo would have been more symmetrical if you had stepped to the right. Or you missed eye contact with your subject by a fraction of a second. Now, with spatial reframing, you can fix all these
I'm not a
things
fan of this shit.
after the photo was taken.
I
Let me
prefer
show you how it
pure
works.
photography.
Yeah,
Let's
I
take
mean,
a look at
just
a
take a
picture
picture
I
of a
recently
person
took
and
of my
just generate
kids.
AI images. Why to
I
care
love
about all
this
this
cute
if
photo
you're
of my son
already
and daughter
altering it
celebrating
so
their
much with
last
AI?
day of school, but I wish I'd spent more time thinking about the framing. When I tap Edit, you'll see a new Tools option in the lower right. Here I'll find all the editing features that use our Apple Intelligence image models and private cloud compute, including spatial reframing. Let's tap Reframe. Once the image loads, you'll see that the UI is super simple. You can interact with the photo directly to adjust the framing. I can touch, drag,
That is crazy.
and the perspective shifts as if I had repositioned the
I
camera
mean, that
in
is
the
good.
original scene.
Definitely
This
not going to happen
capability
in my
uses
phone.
on-device
Probably only new
spatial
ones.
models, so you can preview the
That's
effect
nice.
in real time. And as you adjust the photo, you'll see a blur around the edges of the original image, which will be filled in later.
I mean,
by
imagine
our
like all the
generative
layers
models.
and all of them moving together.
And I
That's
can
crazy.
pinch to zoom in, closer, and there. That looks great. Now I'll tap Reframe. This feature is super cool because it combines our advanced
Yeah, this is
on-device
good.
spatial models
Yeah.
with our powerful image generation model on private cloud compute to create the final photo.
Definitely
And
takes a
even
long
better,
time for
it
it to
only
do,
generates
so
new content to
it
fill in the
cannot
gaps.
be an
with a
inbuilt
perspective that's
model.
been
This
No,
must
he's saying
be
like private
This
cloud.
ensures that
So
the
all
reframed
these are, I
photo
think,
stays
cloud based.
consistent with the original scene.
Most probably they are using Nano Banana.
Here's the final
yeah,
result,
for sure.
and it looks
Google.
great. As I toggle before and after, you can see my kids are much better framed in the scene.
Oh, you
after
could just
moving the
zoom in,
camera
bro.
down,
But sure,
and
sure.
the content that was filled in looks so natural. It's like I was able to go back in time and adjust my camera in the moment I snapped the photo. So those are the new Apple
Nice.
Intelligence capabilities
Good
in
feature.
Photos. And what's great is that these features work on almost any photo in your library, even older photos or photos taken with other cameras. And now, back to Craig.
Those are just some of the ways that Apple Intelligence is up-leveling so many of the apps you use every day. These new features across apps will be coming to all our Apple Intelligence supported languages. And they'll be available for free with our latest software releases. Some features, including image generation, have daily usage limits because they rely on powerful server models. Increased access is available with most iCloud Plus subscription plans, which also include Apple Intelligence support for compatible
New
home cameras.
subscription.
Plus is now
So that's
paid.
our next generation of Apple Intelligence. From an entirely new
So that's
series
definitely
that's
Nano
capable
Banana
and
for sure.
conversational,
Yeah.
to new ways for browsing the web,
I would like to
expressing
know
your
how many.
creativity,
10
and
images a
editing your
month or
photos.
something.
All with
I'm
privacy
never
built
using
in.
any of this feature. I'm
This
pretty
is
sure.
a big step
90% of the
forward on our
features,
journey to integrate
there are better
powerful
alternates.
AI into the core of our platforms and make our products even more personal and
I mean,
useful.
after 1 year,
And that's not all.
if this is what you
We're
came up
bringing
with,
many more Apple
well,
Intelligence features to our
not
users.
much to say.
This update will be supported on the same product models that support Apple Intelligence today. Our most powerful on-device model and the features it enables, like expressive voices and more advanced dictation, will be coming to our most capable iPhone, iPad, and Mac systems. Developers can start trying out our new version of Siri today. And for customers, we'll be launching Siri AI in beta later this year.
What?
We're excited to hear your
Siri
feedback.
AI beta later this
Siri
year.
AI
So
will
it's not even
not
with
be available
the
initially
beta
in the EU,
5.27.
iOS and iPadOS. We're working hard to find a path forward that preserves our users'
So
privacy
Divyanshu, I think we
and
should just
security.
think about the next
In
live
China,
stream now. I
Siri
think
AI
this
and
is.
other new Apple Intelligence features will not be available while we work through regulatory requirements.
I'm just
Next,
waiting
for
for.
developers,
Okay,
there's a
so
lot
now
to be excited about.
next one
With
thing,
new tools
something
and
like that.
technologies
Abhi
to
kiske
help
liye
you
10
build
saala?
incredible apps.
Autistic
Now you can
kids.
bring Apple Intelligence right into your apps using technologies you already know, like App Intents, to help users surface the right
App
information
Intents? What is
and
that?
get things done just by asking Siri.
Oh,
For
the
example,
conversation
because the
between
messaging app
apps and Siri.
Line indexes its content into Spotlight,
Oh, it's called
users
App
can
Intents.
ask Siri to help them find information from their conversations.
Okay, so
Oh,
this
see,
is their
so
opening
you can actually use WhatsApp because I saw.
Like WhatsApp will obviously be enabling this feature.
Just ask Siri to create an event and quickly add it to their timeline, and it's done.
I can add auto reels on Siri, create a video.
The next generation.
So this is coming end of the year then.
Powerful, fast, and private.
Siri
Using
AI.
the on-device model through the foundation models framework. You can now use images as input in addition to text, extend the model capabilities with custom skills, and even use models running on servers.
For models, you can use external models.
For example, many people ask me, how can you possibly do this many presentations and always be in some version of a blue shirt? Answer, I apply advanced technology. With an app like Daydream, I can select a photo from an event, and the app can use the on-device model to identify every piece of my outfit. Then it uses its deep fashion expertise to help me find something right within my narrow fashion comfort zone. In addition to Apple Foundation models, you can now easily bring other models to run locally in your app with the full power of Apple Silicon using the new Core AI
So you see, you can use
available
other
on
models.
all our platforms. That's apps and intelligence
But
working
then,
together.
No, I
wouldn't
don't.
that be a privacy thing?
No, I don't think you can use other models.
I mean, it says you can use other models using Core AI.
Maybe like options of intelligence level or something. Not like you can't use Anthropic on it. Because that.
So I think you probably can use, it's just that you will never get the data of user. It's just like, you know, the app intent kind of a thing where you cannot read what's happening between it, maybe.
They'll release the SDKs and documentation. Maybe we'll get more info this week.
Simulated devices, and you can extend its capabilities with custom skills. You can also
see, like, you
choose the
can choose
model
external
and
models.
agent of your choice, now
Ooh.
including Gemini, and connect to tools
No, they're
like
talking about
Figma
Xcode.
and GitHub. And we're reimagining
they're talking
how
about
you
Core
can
AI,
test
no?
apps with the all-new Device Hub that brings every device, simulated and real, into one unified interface. You can now simulate multi-touch controls like
Oh,
swipe
that's
and
nice.
pinch.
Simulator
Change your
update.
app's appearance in one click.
Thank God.
And even
is
resize it
good.
dynamically to iterate like never before.
This is good.
You'll
This
hear
is good.
much more about our tools, languages, and frameworks in the platform's State of the Union. And we have a big week ahead with technical sessions, live forums, group labs with Apple engineers, and more. It's going to be an amazing WWDC. Now, back
At
to
least
Tim.
it's over.
Now,
Thank you, Craig,
one last
and
thing.
thanks to all of our
Here is your
presenters.
foldable phone.
We're excited to bring a wide range of improvements to each of our platforms, making them even more useful and delightful. We're also continuing to provide more features that will help kids enjoy their Apple products to the fullest while ensuring their experiences are most appropriate for them. And the next generation of Apple Intelligence introduces new capabilities, including
Let me see
Siri
Apple's
AI
stock. Is it going
that
down?
delivers rich
Must be.
conversations and draws upon your personal context to help you get more done.
Yep, it's down.
This,
What?
along with our
It's
other new features
down,
and
yeah.
capabilities, will help
Not that
users
much,
get
but
even
1%.
more out of our products.
Oh shit!
Our new OS releases will be
What?
available as
But
like
developer
it's
betas
a-
today,
it's
with a public
pretty
beta coming next
like
month.
crashed.
And they will be available to
I mean, just
users
1%, not that
this
much.
fall.
But it's still like
On a
this is a
personal
bad
note,
news for them.
Some of the greatest highlights
Yeah,
of
usually
my
these
time as
events, they kind of
CEO
push it up,
have
but
been
obviously.
events like this. Sharing powerful new tools with all of you and then seeing what you create with them has been a constant reminder that imagination has no limits. Over the years, you have helped people connect, create, learn,
So goodbye,
and
Tim,
experience
because
the
as his
world
last
in
keynote.
extraordinary new ways.
Yeah.
And with the incredible capabilities we introduced today and so many more still to come, I truly believe the best is still ahead. At Apple, creating the best products in the world to deliver experiences that enrich people's lives has always been our North Star. It's been the honor of a lifetime to help advance that mission with teams whose creativity, care, and conviction continue to make a lasting difference in people's lives. Thank you all for joining us. Let's have a great WWDC.
No iPhone. Sorry, the mention.
See? Oh, appreciation. No.
All I need is good reads and some better sleep. I keep it calm so these drafts stay in call sheet. I made the track, Band Lab, Asana back to back. I never slack, chase money, hit my cash app. I've been connected like Tetris to Depop and Robocop, TV Peacock, clicking Photoshop, Letterbox, Dropbox, HubSpot, and whatnot. Bump into my township, then post them on my TikTok. Can you see me on your screen? I've been everywhere. Can you see me on your screen? I can take it up. I know that you got a lot of dreams. You can make it. I'm loaded, I'm loaded, I'm loaded, I'm loaded. With gratitude, I'm on a journey. Geo gets a tide guide. It's brilliant how the temple runs. It's gotta be my eyes. Loom colors, Luminar, the feather green touch too. We outlanders too. I fly Delta, Reddit on the jet blue. World of airports, I'd rather kayak. The gapper give me confidence. My outlook, explore 7 continents. Heads up, this a League of Legends in your headspace. Move slowly with the rover, but my friends know my fan base.
Slowly. Have you used that app slowly?
I know that you got a lot
No.
of dreams.
Have you?
I'm loaded, I'm loaded, I'm loaded, I'm loaded up. Study plus, I swing vision and speed test. I took the steps, the same shop on StockX. The star maker, the skyscraper, the sky guy, the townsfolk, the truth.
I like the editing on this music video.
DJ unfold, my set was cold. I hit them slopes. I'm on Resi for Mississippi. I'm loaded at Nordstrom and NBA. Don't leave them open. Hella time rider, now I'm striving on the Strava. Transformers on the Twitch. I gotta tip my Uber driver. Old Navy on my ways, Warframe. Wonder which of us on watch duty. Main agenda be real or AMC. I watch movies. Good notes, I Minecraft. I'm LinkedIn. The craft is expensive, attentive. Wimbledon, Evernote for letterheads. The ladder when I loaded it. So thank you for developing these apps for me and all my friends.
Oh, Grug is there. Grug is their design award winner this year.
Who?
Grug, Grug. It's a very weird app. Download it.
What does it do?
It does. So that's what I was trying to find out. What does it do? I think it gives you a daily kind of quote or something. But the design, it's like, it's weird.
Okay.
Cool, Sam.
All right. Thanks for joining, Divyanshu. Thanks, guys, who joined in and suffered through that. I'm sorry we couldn't pick a. Maybe our next one would be nicer and more manageable.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you, Sam, for joining, and have a good night.
Yeah, thanks for hosting. See you guys.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye-bye.